Hi everyone! Today I will show you how to make a plum homemade alcohol, Śliwkówka. This time I will make a Christmas version with cinnamon, cloves and honey. I will start with cleaning fruits and cutting out seeds. Then I will walk you through whole process of preparing ingredients, time each step takes, filtration process, this kind of stuff. Right at the end you will have easy to make, very tasty, traditional Polish nalewka. Let's get started. As always, I start by thoroughly washing the fruits. I bought 2 kilograms of plums. I like to use the more acid ones. This time I have used 2 different types. Next, I cut the fruits into pieces and put them to the large jar. At the end, I will put a few plum seeds to the jar. The rest will go to waste. Seeds will add a bit of a different flavor to the mix. The next ingredients will be Christmas add-ins: cinnamon, cloves and honey. I crushed the cinnamon bark and added it to the jar. Then a small handful of cloves, approximately 12 pieces. Finally, I add 1 large spoon of honey. To jar full of plums and spices, now add 3 glasses of water and then 3 glasses of spirit. Mix the contents of the jar thoroughly and leave it in the dark place for a few months. Every second week, mix it well. Look how the color changed after just couple of weeks. Another month has passed. Check out the difference in color. Four months passed. Look at this beautiful color. I'm going to need a colander and bowl now. I pour the entire contents of the jar. Every time I see seeds, cloves or cinnamon, I take them out of the bowl. I crush the fruit to extract more juice. Now I put fruits back to the jar. While I'm doing this, I'm trying to pick only fruits and leave spices and seeds. Every time I put a large handful of fruit back into the jar, I sprinkle it generously with sugar and then mix. I pour all the liquid that flowed through the colander and escaped from the plums into bottles. Back to fruits and sugar. That part is done. I have a jar full of sugar and plums and 2 bottles of liquid. Now I will wait 2 full days. Look how much liquid come out of the plums. Great! Again, I pour the content of the jar back into the bowl and then crush the fruit. For those extra interested, I encourage you to put sugar on plums one more time and repeat the last step again. I do this often, which allows me to extract even more liquid. I filter the liquid that has dripped from the fruit through a strainer and pour into the bottle. currently have 3 bottles prepared. They have different contents and now need to be mixed. I will leave this jar overnight for the sediment to settle. It's time for final filtration. I'm using strainer and coffee filters. When a liquid clogged too much in coffee filters, I'm waiting a day to sediment settle again. Okay, 3 bottles ready. Look how great they look. Last part, labels. I put my purple labels on fully ready Plum homemade alcohol, Śliwkówka. Thank you for watching, see you next time.